everybody, welcome back to Keep Going. Today we're doing a science project. So today our science project, it's another of our STEM kit right here. And it's called, our project is called Fuzzy Bag Explosion. So today we will need food coloring, a Ziploc bag, a measuring cup, a teaspoon, warm water, vinegar, last but not least, baking soda right here. Okay, so let's begin. Make sure to do this project, since it's an explosion, make sure to do it outside or in your kitchen sink. I'm doing it in my kitchen sink. So let's begin. So first things first, we will need paper towel. Yes. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention, we're also going to be needing paper towel. Okay, so I have an extra one right here. So we're going to be needing the baking soda in the teaspoon for this, for right now, our step one. So we're going to be needing 2 full teaspoons of, in the teaspoon of baking soda. That's not full. Okay, there we go. 1 full. Right here. And, oops, big scoop. Okay, that's perfect. And the other one right here. 2 big scoops of teaspoons. And then we're going to be making a tiny bag. So, you see, right here, do this. We're going to be doing this. And this. And right here, this. So, this is our little bag right here of baking soda. And so, the next step, it might unfold like mine, but you should be good enough. Now, we're going to need the measuring cup and the warm water and the bag, yes. So, we're going to be needing a full measuring cup of warm water. Oh, it's hot. Okay, that should be enough. Okay. Okay, there we go. So we're going to be needing 1 measuring cup of water right here, and let's put it back right here. And next we're going to be needing vinegar right here, vinegar, and measuring cup. We're going to be needing 2 full measuring cups of vinegar. So there goes one, and we're gonna need another one. And our second thing. And right now, I don't know about the food coloring. Maybe like one or 3 drops. So that's right here. That's 1. There's 2. That's 3. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna put it back right here. So I got the food coloring in there. Wow. Okay, so now we're gonna be needing our bag of the baking soda we made earlier. Hold it a little bit better. Okay. So now we are gonna hold it like this. This is very risky. And now we're gonna we have to lock it. So we have locked it here, like completely locked, and we have still the paper back here. Now the moment you all been waiting for. We gotta drop it and a little shake, 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 shake. Now put it right there, and it should go kapow. Oh God! Oh God! Wow. So for the explosion, we have it right here. We have the bag right here. So
Wow.
that was amazing. So if you're wondering how this explosion happened, so when we added the vinegar and the water, warm water, and the baking soda together, it made carbon dioxide, which helped it to expand. And when it expanded, that's how the explosion was created. So thank you. Bye.